Asuntoskeittiö Kaukonsalpa.
Yeah, today is the 9th of September 2021. We have Raappavuorenkuja Barisgränden 6 day here. We have also been to the Stigis BNC here in this relaxed building. We give us the sport better, so 320 grams. And this is in Martinlaakso, modernized. Yes, for station. Finland. 1973. To wait upstairs.
Yeah.
Turning 50 years old in 2023, the same number is H29315. It will be inspected in the next year, 2022, and the stop and alarm is RFT MP6.
Yeah.
Other attraction is still amazing, so the rides.
No, I think one because we have to wait too long.
Oh yeah.
Still.
And we don't have time.
Yeah.
From this window you can also see that there's takes a little bit already of those autumn leaves.
Yeah.
Yes. But it looks very much like they renovated this sometime in the 1990s. Late 1990s renovated. Or early 2000s.
It's coming here.
Oh. Of course, this could have also been made faster, even though there's no extras.
Yeah.
But still, this is like it feels a bit too slow still.
Yeah.
There's the Kone logo here also.
Spektiitpaakin meidän taas Suomi hissurakointi.
Yeah. Back to the first floor. Thank you very much for watching. Please also watch the Texas BIC. That's really
That's